Do you find cleaning your pool to be a never-ending hassle, especially when you've tried so many devices but still aren't satisfied with the results? Imagine dropping a device into your pool, walking away, and coming back to a spotless, sparkling pool. Sounds like a dream, right? Today, we're reviewing the AIPER Scuba S1 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner, a product that promises to make pool maintenance easier than ever. But does it really live up to the hype? Stay tuned until the end of this video to hear what real customers have to say about this product. Now, let's dive into the real feedback from customers who have actually used the AIPER Scuba S1 to see how it performs. First up, E&M shares, "I replaced my old vacuum-driven navigator with the Scuba S1. Overall, I'm happy with the battery life. It even lasts longer than advertised. However, there's a downside. My kidney-shaped pool has tight corners, and the Scuba S1 struggles to clean them. It takes several passes to get most of the debris. On the plus side, it's easy to clean after use. But getting it out of the pool, that's another story. I wish the hook to retrieve it was more prominent, as it often slips off, and the robot falls back into the pool. So, if you have a complex pool shape, you might face some minor challenges." Next, Trevor brings up an interesting point. The robot is great, but the hook they provide to pull it out of the pool is a nightmare. I've got multiple pool poles, but the hook doesn't stay attached to any of them. I spend 30 minutes just trying to fish it out of the water. It completely defeats the purpose of saving time with this device. The robot itself is fantastic, but why skimp on such a crucial part? They'll probably update it and charge an extra $50. It seems Trevor is really pleased with the cleaner's performance, but the retrieval hook was enough to make him reconsider his overall experience. This is definitely an area AIPER could improve in future models. On the flip side, B. Russo had a very positive experience. "I charged it up after a storm, and it worked incredibly well on my 30,000-gallon pool. I love it and highly recommend it. Super user-friendly and performs beyond expectations." This shows that for larger pools, the AIPER Scuba S1 works great, even in harsh conditions. But not everyone is thrilled. Zahida N. expressed her disappointment. "I paid over $500 and received a damaged, defective unit. Worse yet, I got no help from AIPER. This is a reminder to always check the warranty and return policies when making such a big purchase." Andrew Solis compared it to his previous cleaner. "We used to have a dolphin cleaner, but when it broke, we decided to try the cordless AIPER Scuba S1. Unfortunately, this robot constantly gets stuck in places that the dolphin didn't, and when I finally get it unstuck, it just backs up and gets trapped again in the same spot. I'm waiting for a refund." It looks like Andrew didn't have the seamless experience he was hoping for. As we can see, the AIPER Scuba S1 isn't perfect for everyone. Some users report issues with the robot getting stuck in corners or on steps, and the retrieval hook seems to be a common complaint. However, other users rave about its powerful cleaning, long battery life, and ease of use, especially in larger pools or after harsh weather. Falcor had a very different take. "I've tried several pool robots over the years, and I think I've finally found the one that fits my needs. The Scuba S1 is efficient, fully autonomous, and takes care of my pool with minimal effort. It gets the job done quickly and keeps my pool guest-ready at all times." Falcor is clearly impressed with the Scuba S1's automation and efficiency, particularly compared to other robots he's tried in the past. Lastly, Laura Earwicker was blown away by the cordless convenience. "I used to own a high-end corded robot, but it was such a pain to use since we didn't have any electrical outlets near our pool. When I got the AIPER Scuba S1, I instantly fell in love with the cordless convenience. It cleans both the bottom and the sides of my deep pool without any issues. I'm seriously impressed. Laura emphasizes how easy and convenient the cordless design is, saving her a lot of time and hassle. So, is the AIPER Scuba S1 the right product for you? While there are some negative reviews, many users have found it to be a game changer for maintaining their pools. From tackling harsh weather conditions to cleaning large pools on a single charge, the AIPER Scuba S1 could be the perfect solution for you. What's important is that with its long-lasting battery and hands-free operation, you can keep your pool looking pristine with minimal effort. Ready to simplify your pool maintenance routine? Click the link in the description below to check out the AIPER Scuba S1 and get yours today. Don't wait until your pool needs cleaning. Let the Scuba S1 handle it for you. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comments what you think about the AIPER Scuba S1. Have you tried it? Or are you thinking about giving it a shot? We'd love to hear from you.